These curtains are really sweet because they protect the outside from the water, of course, like any shower curtain should, but it also, in an elegant way, it has a see-through mesh here that way you can see outside of your shower. You see? So that way, when it's sort of sexy and beautiful. It's made from really good materials. It's easy to install. All you have to do is do like this, and you can put it in there real nice. And it's made out of plastic. This is really thick, durable material that is set to last you for a long time. You see? So then you do like that, this, and that's the way to install it. There you go. And then it looks really beautiful together when you put it to the side. On the other side, it has the liner that you can take off with these buttons and put in the washing machine if it gets moldy. See? It's quite durable, beautiful. So there's 2 layers, right? And this layer protects the beautiful mesh layer that you see right there. You see how beautiful this mesh is? It comes in different colors. You have it in white, but you also can get it in gray. You see? In this case, this one doesn't have the see-through capabilities, you see? But this is also very beautiful and durable and will last you for a long time. You see the setup of the mesh in the outside and the removable shower screen on the other side. You prefer which one you need or which one you prefer? The one that is see-through, like the one that I showed you, or something like this.